All right, so day number 5 is here, and we are ending the day early because I already took 2 losses. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I was bearish on the day. If you look at the daily candle, it was here at the beginning, and this looks quite heavy to me. This is possibly a future daily order block if this ends up closing positive, and then we have an engulfing candle down below. So if we go down to the 1 hour as well, this is quite bearish. We could have at least, just sweep these lows and then go back higher again, but I can't predict for that. My prediction was that we go to the daily open and a little bit below because we haven't been there. We barely have been there today. So, and given that the bearish price action, I think the lows for the day still need to be set. So if we go on the 5 minute, at the time it was looking like this. So there was this engulfing candle right here, and I was considering this to be an order block. So with that said, if we go to the 1 minute again, you can see this push higher and then this push lower. You can see that for a brief moment, price respected this breaker right here, and it failed to set a new high and set a new low. So I didn't enter right here. I waited for an order block to form, which was this one right here, this small one, and I've put my entry at the wick, right, with the stop loss slightly above it and my TP around the daily open. So this was my full R trade. This was 250 that I lost, so that's minus 1 R. And so with that, the 5 minute still didn't close, but I was not expecting price to go above this and that it would continue lower. After that, I waited again. I saw that price failed to make a new high. I looked at the 5 minute candle. It looked like it respected this bearish order block, this 5 minute bearish order block right here. So I went back to the 1 minute again, and I see this order block right here. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe I was wrong that time. Should have put my stop loss above the candle that formed the fair value gap. Maybe now we go lower. No problem. I was still bearish on the day, so let me enter my short again. And the plan was something similar to this right here. So I entered here, and you can see that price sort of respected for a little bit, and then we ended up going higher. Why did we go higher? Why did I set the trades here on what it seems to be choppy? Because at the time, I didn't knew that we had news. And if we go over to Forex Factory, these are my filters. This was all I could see. I could only see these red folders, this core PCI price index, which was at 1:30 p.m. My time. And I was not able to see this consumer sentiment news, this orange folder news. Now, if I would have saw this, I would have probably would not traded this chop, and I would have waited for 3 p.m. news, and only from now on I would have been looking for setups. But I didn't see it. I traded this. I ended up losing $376. I made a mistake. It's part of the game. And if we go here to my TradeZilla dashboard, you'll be able to see my trades for this week and my trades for last week as well. So we ended up this week up, what's this, maybe $170. This is our currently win rate. This was at 30% at one point, so I'm definitely executing better. This is our day win percentage, profit factor, and our average win to loss trade. So that's it for day 5, and that's it for this week. I'll see you guys on Monday.